Welcome to STEM Professionals. In this video, we'll discuss the questions based on Chapter 1, and the level of questions would be easy to moderate. Now, the question will be based on the following topics. The first one, significant figures. The next one, round of error, and finally the unit conversion. So, let's start with the video. And this is our first question that is based on significant figures. So in this question we are given that a parking lot is 124.3 meter long and 41.06 meter wide. Now we need to find the perimeter of the lot. Now we know that the perimeter of a parking lot is the summation of length of its four sides. So basically you have to add all these sides to find the perimeter. So perimeter P will be equals to 124.3 plus 41.06 plus this side, which is 124.3 plus 41.06, and that will be equals to 330.72. But here we're going to apply the rule for significant figures that says that the number of decimal places after addition or subtraction is equals to the smallest number of decimal places in any of the individual term. So if you see that the number of smallest number of decimal places is this, which is 1. So we have to give our answer up to 1 decimal place. So, and since this number is less than 5, so we can take this 7 as it is. So 330.7 meter. This would be the answer that we're going to quote according to the significant figures rule. So this is the solution. So this is our next question, which is based on significant figures. And in this question we have to find the number of significant figures in this one and this one. So we're going to solve the A part first. So the given number is 0.0000303. Now the rule is that the leading zeros are not significant. Therefore the significant figures are this one, and this one. So the total number of significant figures in part A is 3. So 3 significant figures are there. Now next, the B part. So B1 we have 0.201 times 10 to the power 5. Now any zero written to the right side of the decimal point will be considered as significant. This is a rule. So this is also significant, this one is also significant, this one is also, and this one is also. Therefore the number of significant figures in the B part is 4. So this is the solution. So this is our next question, which is based on rounding off, and we are given that the first several digits of pi is written as this one. Now we have to write the pi with 3 significant figures. So we're going to solve the A part first. Now 3 significant figures means 3.1. Now 4 we have to round it off. Now here, because the next number is 1, which is less than 5, so it will be rounded off to 4 only. So these are the 3 significant figures for pi and the answer for the A part. Now next, the B part. Now we have to write with 5 significant figures. So 3.141. Now this 5 we have to round off. Now since the next number 9, which is less than 5, so we have to round off this 5 to the next number, which is 6. So this would be the answer for the B part. Now the final one, C, we have to write the answer with 7 significant figures. So it will be 3.14159. Now next number is 3. Now we have to round off this number. Now if you see the next one, this is 6, which is greater than 5. So we have to round off this 2 to the next number, which is 3. So that is 3. So this is the value for pi with 7 significant figure and the solution for this question. Now in this question we have to find the volume of the arc in cubic feet, and the dimension for arc we are given to be, the length we have 2.5 cubits, the unit is in cubits, so 2.5 cubits, and the width W we have 1.5 cubits, and finally the height H we have height and width are same, that is 1.5, so this is also 1.5 cubits. So volume we know it is length multiplied with width multiplied with height. This is a basic definition. Now we are also given that 1 cubit is equivalent to 17.7 inch. So let me first convert the unit for length. So length we are given to be 2.5 cubits. Now we know that in 1 cubit we have 17.7 inch. So we have converted the unit of cubit into inch, but we have to get our answer in terms of this cubic feet, that is feet we have to convert. So we know that 1 inch it is equals to 1 over 12 feet. Now we'll get this dimension for length to be in feet, and that is nearly 3.68 feet. In the same fashion, we can convert the unit for this width and height. So this would W would be equals to, I'm writing it directly, 1.5 multiplied with 17.7 divided with 12, that much of feet. So this would be equals to nearly 2.21 feet. Now we can easily calculate this volume. So volume would be length multiplied with width multiplied with height. So length we have 3.68 feet. This is in feet. Multiplied with width, which is 2.21 feet. Multiplied with height. Height is also 2.21 feet. So the answer would be nearly, you could say, 18 feet cube. So this is the solution, and this is the way we convert the units. So this is all with this video, and in the coming video we'll discuss a few more questions based on the chapter 1. Thank you.